Hey you guys, welcome back. This is Jaya. I'm here with yet another video. And wow, you have to give me a big thumbs up for this one, okay? Because this is my fifth or sixth take on this video. And don't ask me what happened with the last five, okay? Uh, I'm just happy I'm here still smiling and doing it. So, hello all. Before I go ahead, I want to just say thank you to all the viewers, all the subscribers, all the Facebook friends, all my friends and family, immediate and far. Thank you to people who have called me, who have messaged me, who have emailed me. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I just love it. I feel the love, I feel the positivity, I feel you guys. Thank you. It really means a lot to me because if you guys weren't here, I wouldn't be here. So I'm just so pumped. Thank you so much, and thank you for subscribing if you have subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't, I would definitely encourage you to do so because there's so much more coming to my channel than and it's just getting started. So anyway, so before I don't want to give I don't want to go more in all that. I just want to start my video. Okay, so what are we talking about today? We're talking about crystals. Yay! My favorite topic. Okay. So I want to cover three things. First thing is, what are crystals? Haha. Second, how do they work? And third is, how do you use them or what do they do? Stuff like that. So let's go. First, what are crystals? Okay. Crystals are, I'm going to give you the scientific, whatever, the definition by Google right here if you want that. But for me and for all the people who are like me, who don't like all these extra long words, who can't say them even, crystals are stones. Yeah! Crystals are stones, okay? They are stones. They were formed when the earth came to be, and they were formed in different places, like the core of the earth or the riverbeds, or they could be formed in the lava, like this tektite, which is, comes with molten lava. So, and each crystal has a unique internal structure that's how you tell one crystal different from another one, okay? So they all have their own pattern, and crystal come in different colors, like even the same crystal, like not same, but the crystal itself, like it's a fluorite or an agate or a jasper, they all come in different colors. So what makes it different colors is the different chemical impurities, the radiation, the minerals, the composition of minerals in the crystals that give them different colors. But to the core of the crystal, the pattern is what makes it that crystal. So a aquamarine over here will have a pattern that's, all the aquamarines have the same pattern. The sodalite will have a different pattern. So if you look at a microscope on these two different crystals, you'll find their patterns, okay? So that's that. So that's what crystals are. For me, they're my angels. I just love them. They've just changed my life to a whole nother level, okay? Ever since I've been using them, I use them every day, day in, day out. There is no missing out on using my crystals. Okay, so that's the basic of crystals, okay? Second part is, how do they work, okay? Simple again. So if you've seen Frozen 1 and 2, both they say water has memory. And and here also I would say that crystals have memory. When they were formed, and as they've been formed, they carry memory of the earth. They come from Mother Earth. So you'll see a lot of people, use crystals to access their past lives, or if you believe in it, and kind of access the Akashic records, if you will. So there's that, right? And so that's one form of using it. Crystals also carry frequency, and what the hell is frequency? Okay. That's one thing I've learned over my journey, and I don't know if you have learned it or not, so I'm going to explain it right here. We all have a vibration, a frequency that we vibrate at. Okay, each one of us has our own energy field around us. Some people call it aura. So we have our own frequency that we vibrate at. If you, when you meet people, some people you just feel so lively around them. Like, oh my God, I just love her. I just love her energy. I love the way she when she's here, I just love it. Like I feel so good. I feel so loved. And then some people just you just don't feel it. It's like what's going on? You feel low. So and it could be also times, right? Not everybody is like that all the time. So it's time and a place and everything else. But anyways, so frequency, right? So crystals carry very high frequency, and so what happens is when you hold them, you are absorbing the high frequency. And how it works is it works on our cellular level, okay? It works with our energy, and raising our frequency through our chakra points in our body. Sorry. Yeah, I think I need some throat chakra healing here. So yeah, through our chakra points in our body. So if there's some imbalance or some blockages or something like that, or if it's too high of frequency or too low frequency, you can use specific crystal for specific chakras for that. And that's that. So that's how they work, okay? And let's see, would I miss anything? I already was out of sip of water, but it's okay. Yeah, so that's how they work, and the best way to use, and that's the next topic, is how do you use it and stuff like that. So crystals, the best way to use it obviously is by meditating with the crystal. You hold it in your hand, you meditate with it, okay? Now which hand you hold is a different topic altogether, but I'll give you a quick little tidbit here. If you want to absorb the energy from the crystal, you use it in the left hand. Your hand that you use is non-dominant. See, I'm right-handed, so for me, my left hand is non-dominant, so I use the crystal in the left hand to absorb the energy from the crystal. If I'm trying to give something to the world, or give love to the world, or if I want to release negative not to the world, but to the universe, because you're giving it to the universe, not giving it to the world. You can use specific crystals for that. Now, very, very popular is malachite stone, very powerful. It's called a transformative stone, actually. So I would just use my malachite in my right hand and say, release my negativity into the universe. So, so basically, just trying to release. You're giving it out. So right hand, okay? For me, since I use my hand to give, okay? If I also want to give love, okay, I'm going to use my to people I'm not really loving, let's say, that I'm like, okay, fine, please help me give love. So this is rose quartz, it's a love crystal. So that's how you would work, okay? And if you're in love for yourself, left hand. So that's that, okay. And then crystals come in all different shapes and forms. There's towers, let's see, I'm going to really quickly. There's a tower, there's different towers. Then there is, of course, raw. Then there is the pointed ones over here. There's one point, and there's double point, and then there is the heart-shaped ones. It's labradorite. There's the spheres. Okay, yeah, the bigger ones too. I have them over here. And then there is obviously the geode over here. That's beautiful. And let's see, there's clusters, and I think I've named them all. And then there's wands, right? The wands. And some come in within the stones. So there's the crystal kind of thing. There's the euclase and the quartz, and that's because you can't really find these; they're very rare. So yeah, that's that. Let's see, what are the next things I want to talk about? Okay, so how do you use them? You can wear them, like I said. You can meditate with them. You can wear them, like necklace, rings, bracelet, anklet. You can carry them in your pocket, in your purse. You can put it where you are, sitting in your office. You can, and there's specific corners of your house where you can use it for specific purposes. Like there's a relationship corner, there's a wealth corner, there's a luck corner. There's all kinds of places for different things you can use crystals for. So you can place. I placed a pyrite on my wealth corner, so to bring in the abundance, I placed my rose quartz on my left corner. So yes, you can place a carnelian in your kitchen. Very good for creativity when you're cooking. So blue apatite is very good for kitchen too. Helps you kind of, when you're helps your body kind of absorb the nutrition from the food that you're eating. So yeah, there's lots of different uses. So yeah, crystals can be used in so many ways. I mean, there's healing, right? So spiritual healing, obviously, like I said, like opening our chakras, balancing our chakras, grounding ourselves, cleaning ourselves, purifying energy, protection, right? but also physical, like joint aches, muscle aches, any kind of ache, even cancer, diabetes. Alongside the medical solutions, you can use the crystals, and you can use crystals for, obviously, like I said, feelings, love, hate, anger, emotional trauma, abuse. You can use crystals for, feeling, for, like, if you have doubts or fear or confidence or whatever you name it, right? You have to. There's specific crystals that specific crystals work with specific chakras for different things, right? And so, if you want good sleep, there's crystal for that too. Use selenite is very good for good sleep. People when they get nightmares and they just can't sleep, selenite is amazing at that. Maybe so is amethyst, rose quartz, moonstone, you name it. Let's see, those are that. For dream recall, you can use crystals. You can use crystals for gifting, and you can use for decorating. You can use them as bookends. You can use them to, or just like this, raise the vibration. I love them. I love it. I love everything about crystals. And let's see, what else I want to say. Oh, so big thing, and big, very big, and very important is to cleanse the crystals. And I'm going to show it you really quickly over here because this is what I use. This is a selenite slab. So every time I meditate with a crystal, after I'm done, it has absorbed the energy, right? Even before, sometimes if they've been here for long, I'll put them in the selenite plates, and I let them recharge basically, and they just kind of like cleanse all the energy that's out in them. If you don't have that, you can do the smudge, sage smudge. Okay, you put in this thing and you just kind of let that incense go around. You can do the sage in here, or cedar, or frankincense, you name whatever oils you have, you can put them in there, or incense. You can do singing bowl. You can wave the selenite one, which I do a lot. Okay. You can do the singing bowl sage spray. You can put them in sunlight, but okay, make sure you put in sunlight. Not all crystals like sunlight because citrine can fade, amethyst sometimes can fade too. So make sure you get a crystal. And water is not good for all crystals. Anything that ends in ITE, like a lot of them do that. Selenite, sodalite, veronite, celestite, apatite, malachite. All these things I would not. Hematite, no water. Okay. We can eat, you can do the other things I mentioned, or you can do alcohol wipe too. Just kind of take sanitize it, and then you can do the other stuff to cleanse the energy out of it. So did I miss anything? I don't know. I don't think so. I think I covered everything. If you have any questions about any of this, I said there was a lot of things kind of said in this video. If you have questions on what crystal you need, or if you have a crystal you don't know where it is and what's it used for, or how to work with it, please feel free to comment below or message me, Facebook me, WhatsApp me, YouTube, whatever medium you choose to use. Please feel free to reach out, and I would love to help you out. And if you like this video, please hit thumbs up. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. If not, it's fine too. But without your help, I will not be able to grow. And I really want more videos out there with more content coming. There's so much more coming, guys. The next video I'm going to make is on chakras and crystals. So I'm going to start with each chakra and talk about each chakra and what crystals you can use and what else you can do to, unblock that chakra. So yeah, if you like stuff like that, please hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your effort. Thank you for the love. And thank you for just hitting the thumbs up. Okay? Thank you. Much love to all you guys.